In a significant legal development, rap mogul Jay-Z has taken decisive action against attorney Tony Buzbee, who is representing the accuser in a high-profile lawsuit filed against Jay-Z and fellow music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. The lawsuit, which alleges that Jay-Z and Combs were involved in the rape of a 13-year-old girl following an after-party after the 2000 MTV Video Music Awards, has become a focal point for intense legal and media scrutiny. In a motion filed by Jay-Z's legal team, led by attorney Alex Spiro, the rapper is now seeking sanctions against Buzbee for what he claims is the filing of a baseless lawsuit, which has caused significant damage to his reputation. Jay-Z's legal team argues that Buzbee filed the lawsuit without performing the necessary due diligence to verify the truth of the accuser's allegations. The motion, which was exclusively obtained by TMZ, points to multiple inconsistencies and contradictions in the accuser's story, which Jay-Z's legal team believes undermine the credibility of the claims. One of the key points raised is the accuser's claim that she was raped at one of the after-parties, yet Jay-Z's team has presented evidence in the form of a photo showing the rapper attending a different event that same night, suggesting it would have been impossible for him to have been at the alleged party. Further, the accuser stated that she was unable to get into the Radio City Music Hall for the MTV Video Music Awards and, as a result, watched the show on a Jumbotron outside the venue. However, Jay-Z's legal team disputes this, providing evidence that no such screen was located outside the venue that night. New York City regulations at the time prohibited such screens from being set up, further casting doubt on the accuser's account. Another critical piece of evidence, according to Jay-Z's motion, comes from the accuser's father, who reportedly claimed to have no recollection of driving 5 hours to pick up his daughter, a statement that contradicts the timeline of events as laid out by the accuser. With these contradictions in mind, Jay-Z's legal team is arguing that Buzbee, by filing the lawsuit without proper investigation, acted recklessly or with malice, with the sole intention of damaging Jay-Z's reputation. In a pointed statement, Jay-Z's lawyer argues that the lack of pre-filing diligence indicates that Buzbee did not care about the truth, only about harming Jay-Z's public image. In response, Buzbee has fiercely rejected the motion, accusing Jay-Z's legal team of desperation. Buzbee dismissed the motion as an attempt to intimidate him and his clients, stating, "With each frantic filing, Mr. Spiro's team reeks of desperation. We won't be bullied or intimidated ever." His comments reflect the growing tension between the two legal teams, with both sides steadfast in their positions. This legal battle is further complicated by previous rulings, including a decision by a New York judge to deny Jay-Z's motion to force the accuser to reveal her identity, allowing her to remain anonymous in the case. This move was seen as a significant victory for the accuser's side, further fueling the already intense legal battle. As the case continues to unfold, the outcome of the motion for sanctions will be a critical moment in the litigation. A ruling in favor of Jay-Z could shift the momentum in his favor, potentially leading to further legal action against Buzbee and the accuser. Conversely, a ruling against Jay-Z could escalate the case further, prolonging the public and legal scrutiny surrounding the allegations. With both parties entrenched in their positions, this case promises to be a drawn-out and contentious legal fight, and its outcome will have significant ramifications for the reputations of all involved.